Hey guys, here's a weathered 1973 Ford Falcon XB from the movie Mad Max, made by Greenlight. This is not the weathered version that Greenlight puts out, as theirs is kind of plain and gray in color. This is I've customized it myself. I hand painted it, used some airbrush, some hand paint, some rust powder. So as you can see, it looks as realistic as the car in the movie. The interior is also dirty. The undercarriage as well has been muddied out and dirtied. I've also installed working lights in this car. Lights to run off a 1.9-volt battery. The battery's sitting inside. Really easy to replace. You have to remove 4 screws when the battery runs out. 2 on the front, 2 on the back. On and off switch right here. So let me turn the lights on. So you have the headlights. They're in soft white, just like the real car would have had back in the days. The flashing police blue light on the interior. Right hand drive, as this is the Australian car, and the steering wheel's on the right hand side, and the tail lights on the back. I guess the interior has also been muddied out. I've spent many hours customizing this vehicle. It'll be up on eBay. eBay name is 6877 Mercedes. Please ask all questions before you bid, and have a great day.